As off-road driving, heavy towing, and vehicle recovery grew more popular, high-performance truck winches have become essential gear. Just as typists and gamers seek precision and reliability in their switches, truck owners demand strength, durability, and control from a winch. In this guide, we evaluate each model based on motor power. List number 1. Open Road 13,500-pound recovery winch with synthetic rope. The Open Road 13,500-pound recovery winch is a powerhouse, engineered for tough recovery situations and demanding off-road use. Its 13,500-pound pulling capacity makes it suitable for trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, and rescue applications. One of its standout features is the high-quality synthetic rope, which is lighter, safer, and easier to handle than steel cables. This reduces the risk of recoil, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced off-road drivers. Powered by a robust 6.4 HP series wound motor, the winch delivers smooth pulling strength, even during long or heavy recovery tasks. The advanced planetary gear system ensures reliable torque transfer while maintaining efficient, controlled operation. The winch also includes a wireless remote and a wired controller, giving users flexibility depending on the terrain and situation. Weather resistance is another strong point. The Open Road winch is built with heavy-duty sealing to withstand mud, rain, snow, and harsh off-road environments. Its aluminum hawse fair lead protects the rope and ensures smooth spooling, extending rope life significantly. List number 2. 13,500 pounds, 12-volt, waterproof electric winch synthetic rope. This 13,500-pound, 12-volt, waterproof electric winch is a well-rounded option for truck owners who want professional-grade recovery performance without the premium price flag. The winch uses a durable synthetic rope designed for strength and safety, making it easier to handle and reducing weight compared to steel cable systems. The rope resists fraying, performs well in wet conditions, and makes manual respooling faster and safer. Its 12-volt powerful motor provides a strong, consistent pull suitable for towing trucks, SUVs, and off-road rigs from mud, sand, or steep inclines. The waterproof design protects the motor and gears, ensuring reliability in harsh weather and muddy trails. The IP-grade housing helps extend the winch's lifespan by keeping internal components clean and dry. A reliable 3-stage planetary gear system ensures smooth and controlled pulling, giving operators confidence during recovery operations. The included wireless remote adds flexibility, allowing users to keep a safe distance from the vehicle during heavy pulling. A wired controller is also included for backup or precision tasks. List number 3. XYCLE 13,500 pounds, 12V electric winch. IP68 waterproof off-road vehicle. The XYCLE 13,500-pound electric winch brings rugged durability and excellent weather protection for serious off-road enthusiasts. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it offers some of the best sealing in its class, keeping mud, water, and dust out of the motor and gearbox. This makes it ideal for deep mud tracks, river crossings, and extreme terrain where reliability is a must. Its 13,500-pound pulling strength is powered by a dependable 12V motor engineered to deliver strong torque and consistent performance. Combined with a smooth planetary gear system, the winch ensures stable pulling power even when recovering large trucks or pulling heavily loaded off-road vehicles. The synthetic rope enhances safety, offering superior resistance to abrasion while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Users appreciate that this winch includes dual remotes, a wireless controller for long-distance operation, and a wired backup for precise recovery tasks. The integrated brake system keeps loads securely in place, preventing rollback and improving safety during unpredictable situations.
List number 4. X-Spool Winch, 10,000-pound load capacity electric winch kit, 12-volt synthetic rope. The X-Spool 10,000-pound winch is designed for truck and SUV drivers who need dependable recovery power without stepping into the heavy-duty 13,500-pound category. With its 10,000-pound capacity, it's ideal for mid-sized trucks, Jeeps, and general off-road use. The winch features a high-quality synthetic rope that is easier to maneuver, safer in breakage scenarios, and ideal for reducing front-end weight. X-Bull equips this model with a fast and efficient 3-stage planetary gear system, delivering strong pulling performance and responsive torque. The winch operates on a 12-volt DC system, making it compatible with most truck and SUV setups. It also includes both wireless and wired remotes, giving users flexible control options depending on the terrain or recovery angle. Durability is one of the strong suits of this winch. Its sealed motor and corrosion-resistant construction ensure long-lasting use in muddy, snowy, and rainy environments. The aluminum hawse fair lead keeps the synthetic rope running smoothly, reducing wear and extending life. The X-Bull winch offers a great mix of performance, durability, and value, making it a solid choice for truck and SUV owners seeking reliable recovery capabilities without a bring in the bank.
List number 5. X-Bull Winch. 13,500-pound load capacity electric winch kit, 12-volt synthetic rope. The X-Bull's 13,500-pound winch is a popular heavy-duty option among off-road drivers, contractors, and truck owners who require maximum pulling power. This model is built to handle challenging recovery tasks, from pulling full-size trucks out of deep mud to assisting with heavy towing operations. The synthetic rope provides excellent durability while being lightweight and safer than steel cables. Powered by a strong 12-volt series-wound motor, this winch delivers consistent pulling strength and reliable speed. The advanced planetary gear system ensures smooth operation and controlled torque, even during heavy loads. It also includes dual remotes, wireless and wired, for flexible, safe recovery in different environments. Weatherproofing is a major highlight. Designed with sealed housing, the winch stands up to mud, water, and harsh weather. This makes it a trustworthy choice for off-road enthusiasts who tackle unpredictable terrain. The integrated brake system keeps loads secure, preventing slippage and ensuring safety during difficult recoveries.